friends, and welcome back to my channel, A Pinch of Positivity. Why is it so important to be positive? Why do all the spiritual books, spiritual gurus, and everybody we meet always tell us to be positive, to have a positive frame of mind, to have a positive attitude, to perform positive actions, and yet we are surrounded by negativity. We mostly have negative thoughts. We have thoughts of doubt, fear, uncertainty. Why is it so difficult for us to remain positive, to think positive? What do we expect in life? We always expect happiness in our life. We want things to be good in our life. We want things to be joyful in our life. We want positive results in our life. In order to achieve this, we have to understand it is that we have to have a positive attitude. We have to have a positive mindset, because it is only when we think positive, act positive, and be positive that things are going to be good in our life. If someone has to tell a group of people that we will monitor your thoughts today, your thoughts will be clearly monitored through a technology. We will download your thoughts to see what thoughts you have, and every person who has 90% of positive thoughts today will get $100,000. Believe me, there will be many people who will achieve 90% of positive thoughts. Why? Because they are expecting something in return instantly. What we fail to realize is that positive thoughts and positive attitudes with a positive action will only produce positive result in our life. So if we really want only good things to happen in our life, why should we not think positive? Why should we only think negative? In simple terms, what is the difference between a person who is alive and a person who is dead? The only difference between a person who is alive and a dead person is the energy flow in the person who is alive. It is that energy that makes him talk, walk, perform actions. The moment that energy is out, the person is a dead person. Now, this same energy, we are surrounded by this energy. The universe, the atmosphere, the cosmos is surrounded by the same energy that flows within us. And energy has only two forms. It's either a positive form or a negative form. So, when we develop a positive thought, we tap into the positive energy of the universe, and universe works around and gives us a positive result. Likewise, if we have a negative thought, we tap into that frequency, that energy of the universe which is negative, and it turns around and gives us negative result. It's so simple. So we have to ask ourselves a question: what do I want? If I want happiness in life, if I want good things to happen to me, to my family, I have to think positive. Not only think positive, the positivity doesn't stop with the thought. I have to think positive, I have to act positive, I have to do positive, and then I have to believe in that positivity. So important for that cycle to happen. And then, once you have thought positive, once your action is positive, you have to persevere and have the patience. You cannot expect to sow a seed today, which will develop into a tree tomorrow, and day after tomorrow it will give you a fruit. It's not possible. Same way, every thought and action that we put it out in the universe will take time for it to turn into a result. So just think about it. If I want only happiness, what should I do? Be positive. It is easier said than done. I do agree. Because we are surrounded by so many factors in our life. We listen to so many negative news around ourselves. Life presents us with so many challenges. How can we basically make an attempt to be, if not positive all the time, but at least positive most of the times. How do we do it? It takes practice. You have to develop a habit, and then first thing you need to do is believe. It is not because somebody is telling you that you have to be positive or you have to think positive that you will start basically purposely trying to have a positive thoughts, hoping that that positive thought will lead into a positive result. It doesn't work that way. It's only when you believe from the core of your heart, from the bottom of your soul, that by performing positive actions, by thinking positive actions, positivity will happen. It is only with that thought and belief things will materialize, things will start changing in your life. There are certain ways where you can start practicing how to become positive. First, the moment you wake up, say thank you. Say thank you to God for the beautiful day, and believe and tell that this day is going to be an excellent day for you. Exercise for some time. Any form of exercise. You can either go for a walk, jog, gym, do yoga, but at least some kind of physical activity is important. Before you start your day, before you start your work, just listen to a positive video or just read a positive quote. That will take you for the full day. So you have started your day with first 3 positive things. You thanked God for the wonderful day. You exercised, which make your body feel good. And then you read a positive quote or you watched a positive video. Your language shapes your thoughts. Be mindful of the words you use. If you use negative words, automatically you will react negative, because your conscious and subconscious mind is constantly registering what you're talking, and it will behave in the manner you talk. So use more positive words, use more encouraging words, and that will help you to be positive. Hang out with positive people. Initially, it is so important for us to be surrounded with positive people so that that positive mindset continues. Once you have practiced to a level where basically most of your thoughts are positive, then you can go ahead and change negative people around you to positive. You can motivate them to be positive, but be around positive people. Another way to develop positive quality in us is to show appreciation to others. There are so many people around us doing so many good things for us. We just have to say them thank you. We have to acknowledge the fact that they do make a difference. Nature is giving us everything. Nature is only giving. Appreciate nature. Appreciate everything around you. Appreciation will help you to develop a positive character, a positive attitude. Be mindful of what is going in. What are the thoughts that are coming in my mind? If a negative thought enters my mind, don't try to resist it. Let it come. The moment it comes, just flip it. Flip it like how you flip a page of a book. Flip it and convert it. Use your energy to convert it into a positive thought. Live with gratitude. Gratitude is so much important. Everything that we need, the universe is providing us. God is providing us. So why are we not thankful to God? Why are we not thankful to nature? Be full of gratitude. Gratitude fills you up with positive vibrations and develops your personality into a positive person. So live in gratitude. It's so important for us to understand that universe is there ready to satisfy every need of ours, provided we think positive and we act in utmost purity and positivity. Remember one thing, universe satisfies our need, not our greed. There's a big difference between what we need and what we greed. If there is an element of greed in our thought or in our actions, then that's a negative quality. There's no way universe will help us to satisfy our greed. That doesn't mean you cannot have your goals and ambitions. You can have the highest of goals, the highest of ambitions, but with a positive frame of mind, with a positive attitude, and in working in a positive way. When I say working in a positive way, in pursuit of your goals and ambitions, be aware of other people around you. Do not crush them, do not crush their dreams and try to climb the ladder. No, instead, treat life like a journey. Help all the people who are walking along with you. Be sensitive, be human, and focus on your goal and work in a positive way. And believe me, universe will satisfy every need, every want of yours if you perform your action with that kind of purity, discipline, and positivity. It is so beautiful. I have seen the transformation in my life when I have changed my thoughts to positive. My thoughts mostly are positive. That doesn't mean I don't have negative thoughts. I do have negative thoughts, but I have control over them. So my thoughts are positive, and from that time I started developing this positive attitude, the positive nature. I have seen things changing in my life, and they have changed so beautifully. Like, it's very difficult for me to describe how beautiful and how magical way the universe works. But small needs which are basically just a thought, those get fulfilled immediately. And because I have been a guy who has shown patience, and I have basically been very disciplined, and I've shown perseverance in whatever I do, the results have been outstanding. It has taken time, it has taken years, but when the result comes after those many years, the result is fantastic. It is more than what you expected. It makes you wonder that had you fought with yourself and had you basically tried to achieve something a few years back, you possibly wouldn't have achieved, and in that process you would have been a frustrated person, a disappointed person, and a failure. But because you believed in your goal, because you believed in the power of positivity, because you believed in the power of universe, and you showed faith, patience, and you continued to work hard with honesty and purity, the results were outstanding. They were much more than you would have expected. I have seen that happening in my life. So it makes me wonder, when we know that by thinking positive, by performing positive, only good is going to happen. So why not think positive? Why think negative? Why not think good for others? Because what we think for others is what we get. Why cannot we fill our hearts full of love, with good feelings, with positive feelings for others, for us? We can give back to others only what we have. I cannot give someone $100 if I have only $50. In order to give that person $100, I need to have $100. This is just an example I am giving you. That means if I have love inside me, if I love myself, if I'm filled with love, I'll be able to give love. If I'm filled with respect, I'll be able to give respect. If I'm filled with peace, I'll be able to give peace. But if I'm filled with negativity, anger, hatredness, this is what I'm going to give. So why basically stick to negative? So it is my hope, and I wish that every one of you understand the long-term goal of your life and follow the path of positivity. If you want things to change in your life, if you want problems to vanish from your life, if you want your life to be smooth, if you want your life to be on track, now is the time to make that attempt. Focus on your thoughts. Develop positive thoughts, positive attitude, positive goals, positive ambitions, positive actions. Believe in them. Believe in them from the core of your heart. And then leave the rest on the universe. Because universe knows what you need and will definitely satisfy your need, but not your greed. So, think positive for things to be positive. Think positive for things to be positive. Thank you for listening to me. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Thank you.